Everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. This video is gonna be on Tito's vodka. This is supposed to be a handmade vodka. It's actually made in Ausin, Texas. I think, oh, wait a minute. Before we get any of that started, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Okay, now let's get it started with this Tito's vodka. Now, Tito's vodka is made in Ausin, Texas, and I guess this is a fairly new company. I guess they've only been around for maybe like 20 years, I believe. They've been around since the early 90s, and I'm assuming it's just now catching on because I hear everybody talking about this vodka. This vodka is everywhere. So somebody asked me in my comments, will I do a review on this? So I decided, why not? I think this isn't the biggest bottle you could buy. They actually have a bigger bottle at Sam's, and I think it's like $27. I think I paid maybe, I think $13, I believe. I think I paid $13 for this. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it wasn't over 15. Okay, we're gonna do the initial smell as well as taste, and then I'm gonna make 2 drinks. Let's see if it smells strong like regular vodka smell. Let's get into the tasting. It doesn't really smell like real strong. Okay, let's pour it up. It's smooth, I can't tell you that. But it's not Ciroc, but I'm just saying. Yes, it's smooth. It do burn a little bit. This is distilled 6 times. It's supposed to be. Maybe that's the reason why everybody is on this. I just read on the back of it that it's gluten free. So, you know, everybody is really trying to be on this gluten free kick. No sugar or no gelatins added. So that's pretty good. 80 proof. So it's pretty smooth. And I hate the fact that I compare everything to Ciroc, but that's just what it is. I'm a Ciroc girl. I love Ciroc, but Tito's isn't bad. It's not bad. Now, the first drink that I'm gonna make it's called a White Russian. Normally when I make a White Russian, I usually use my Ciroc, the French vanilla Ciroc, just to give it a little extra flavor. But since I'm doing a tasting of the Tito's, I'm gonna use Tito's instead of my regular. Okay, so first off, what I normally do, I'm gonna fill this up with the vodka, and then it calls for a coffee liqueur, and we're gonna use Galore. We're gonna do 1 of these, and then it calls for either heavy cream or whatever kind of cream that you like. You could use milk. You could use, I don't know if you could use like coffee creamer. I'm not sure. But I normally use this. This is a lactose-free milk. This is Fairlife milk because I personally can't drink regular milk. So I normally use this. So then we're gonna top it off with the milk. And I always try to layer it. It never works for me, and that's our White Russian. Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, my next drink is going to be a Moscow Mule. And you don't have to use one of these copper glasses, but most people do. The recipe calls for, of course, vodka, lime juice. If you have fresh lime, it's always best to use fresh over bottled. And then it calls for ginger beer. We're gonna do one, and then some of the lime juice. We're just gonna do in the bottom part, the smaller part. Add that to it. And once again, I forgot a straw. We're gonna put our ice in after we put the vodka and the lime juice in. Then we're gonna add our ice. And then you wanna top it off with the ginger beer. And then you wanna make sure you top it off with lots and lots of ice. You can put a little garnish on here if you like. I don't need all that. That is yummy. I could use a little more vodka in mine though. I'm just saying. I'm gonna add a little bit more vodka and a splash bit more of the lime juice. Moscow Mule, one of my favorite drinks. Okay, my opinion of Tito's. Tito's isn't bad. You also could infuse this with different fruit. I actually was gonna use some of it to infuse like some, I seen on the website they did it with like some green apples. So I was thinking about trying that. But yeah, this is pretty good. It's not bad. I guess I'm just kind of used to the Ciroc because Ciroc has flavors in it. But I guess since this is more of a homemade craft vodka, I guess it's easy to infuse maybe. I don't know. But maybe I'll come back and I'll do another video on me infusing the vodka just so we can see what that tastes like. So maybe I'll try to do that, come back with that video so we can see what that tastes like. This is just not bad. Like I said, this Moscow Mule is really good. You don't need this cup. The cup is just to keep the drink nice and cold. So, but you don't actually have to have it. Yeah, this is good. Damn, I almost drunk it up. It's almost gone. What y'all think about Tito's? I mean, have you tried Tito's yet? What do you think about it? What are you mixing with it? Are you gonna try these drinks that I made? The Moscow Mule or the White Russian? You know, they're very easy drinks to make. I mean, why not? Why not try? Tito's is not bad. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Check out some of my other videos. I'll leave some at the top. You could click the end clips to see some of those videos. Don't forget to hit the bell. I know I haven't been saying it in my videos, but don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. To all my new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to my family. Subscribe, thumbs up, comments at the bottom. See y'all in the next one. Peace.